Well, maybe we'll see a goddamn gas station. Get the fuck out of the way. These people, goddamn protesters just standing out in the motherfucking road. But then there's some of us goddamn jobs. We live normal lives. We ain't out here being weirdos standing around in the fucking street. Let's see. Got better things to do with our time than to fight something that ain't gonna damn change no way. How? How? Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh man. Oh. Oh. Oh no. Oh. Damn. Now I feel so bad. Oh. Look, he's over there praying. He feels so bad about it. I feel you. That's about how I feel about it. Poor guy. That just ruined my day. Well, back to work.